Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video I will be replacing this fixed shower head to a handheld shower or something like this. Without further delay, let's do this. So the first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be removing this old shower head. So to do that, you need to have an adjustable wrench or a plumber's wrench. So once you access that, you just need to go to the old shower head and then access the bolt kind of fitting in there. Most of the shower head have this kind of bolt fitting there. So what you need to do, you just need to get this adjustable wrench and go in there and then start removing it slowly, because you don't want to break the tiles or you don't want to scratch them. So just take your time and then remove it slowly. Also, you need to make sure your taps are turned off, otherwise the water will flow. See, there is some water still remaining on the shower head that is coming off, start to coming off now. So once you loosen the main bolt with this wrench, you can simply use your fingers and then simply take it off like this. Yep, that's all removed now. Now put that away. So once you remove the shower head, you just need to unravel this hold the plumber's tape and then simply take this cover plate off. So now it's ready for the new shower head to go in. So just give it a good clean, so just to try to get all the old plumber's tape out, and then get your new shower head and the cover plate, and then we can put it in there. Let me get that now. I decided to use the old cover plate just to because this is a snug fit in the inlet, which is really good. And then I'll put this new one on top of that, so that way I'll have a proper connection in the inlet and there won't be any water leakage through this one. So let's do the plumber's tape now, and then after that we can start installing the new shower head. So you need a plumber's tape, something like this, to go in the inlet connection, so it won't have any leakage after you install the new shower head. So to do this, what you need to do, you need to go clockwise on the inlet outlet. So something like this. You need to go like around 7-8 times just to have a good grip on the inlet. That'll do. So I got it clean. There's nothing hanging outside. So now what I'm gonna do is take the new fitting, and this is a finger tight only. So these brand new ones are finger tight. So just go to the inlet wall connection and then start. Hang on, I think I got it over thread. So make sure you don't over thread it. Yep, got it right. So it's just a basic hand tighten one. And again, you need to get this thing aligned to the bottom just to get the shower hose running straight. And again, you don't tighten it too much, just take it to your time, otherwise you may end up breaking the tiles. So I still need to do a little bit more. It's perfect now, it's snug fit. Yep, and this thing is adjustable, so I can simply adjust it whatever I need to. All right, so this thing also comes with a filter just to have the pressure and wastage of water when you shower. So if you want more pressure, then you can simply take the filter off, and then you can have more more pressure on your shower, which is not a good idea for the environment. So I'm leaving it as it is, and then we can install the shower hose now. Okay, once you done that and you're happy with this fitting, uh, and then get your shower hose, the new one. The new ones is having two sides. One for the one looks like it's got bolt in there, and the other one is a little bit longer fittings. So the bolt fittings is going to fit in the water inlet one, and the other one is going to the hand shower holder. So make sure you take the capping off like this. I have another video which is showing a basic shower hose and head replacement. If you haven't watched that, I'll put the link somewhere here so you can have a watch in that. So once you remove this capping, make sure you have the rubber um, washer in there. That is necessary, otherwise it will start leak with water. So because you have the pressure, I mean actually the rubber washer, you don't need to thread any plumber's tape in there. So once you've done that, you can simply go in there and then start threading it through the inlet fitting. So that will fit in there, and then remove the capping on the shower hose, handheld side. Sometimes this will come a little bit tight. You can simply take it off, and then get your shower head. The new one will also be coming with a capping. Remove the capping. Simply take the capping off, and then make sure you have the rubber washer in there as well on the shower hose, and then simply tighten the this part to the shower head bottom like this. So thread it in there like that, and then tighten it up. You can hand tighten it, so it will have you'll have a snug fit in there. Once you've done that, simply put your shower head on the holder like that, and then you can adjust it whatever position you like. Simply adjust it. And the last thing remaining in here is you need to run the water to check if there is any leaks. Otherwise we are good to go. So let's do that. Okay, now let's turn on the tap and see if there is any water leakage coming from the shower head or somewhere from the inlet fitting. Now let's do this. I'm turning on the tap. So the water is coming from the shower head, and as you can see, there is no leaking or nothing. It's perfectly fine. So that's it, guys. This is how you replace the fixed shower head to a hand shower or something like this. So if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think on the comments. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.